Have you ever heard of locked BIOS or company laptop? These laptops look clean, but they can lock you out. Some laptops are company-owned devices. They come with hidden restrictions, such as lock BIOS, admin lock, and remote access. So even if you buy these devices, you don't fully own it. Here are simple methods to avoid it. Try to enter BIOS before buying this laptop. Always try to reset the laptop and try asking the vendor, is this a company-owned laptop or personal use? If they can't answer clearly, Ogbeni, run. If you are not sure what to check, we can guide you at Prime Now. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for more.